Before I go and wire up this switch box, I'm going to show the glue dried overnight, which is what I wanted to do. It's a construction adhesive, which I put it all around the box here. Because the plaster had broken off, I really needed some more support on this box. But I often use construction adhesive, the really good stuff, on a box, and then some caulking also. For reasons of like insulation too, so that you don't have air going up there either through there. But it really secures the box well. Notice here, this box is really, it's not moving, it's solid. Not only that because of the glue, but because of the screws I put in there. I put the two screws. I pre-drilled the holes and put two screws in it. It helped to secure the box to the stud on one side of the switch box. It's a cut-in old work box, but I'd like to always be against a stud on one side to help it keep this thing from moving around at all. And I'm not going to do this on new construction, but a remodel I might. Because I don't want an inspector, I don't know, whatever, they're going to say something about that. But I want this box to be, it's a cut-in box, so they're just not very secure. So I do come back here and I put some liquid electrical tape, which is like a rubberized coating you can put on top of the screw heads. They actually sell these boxes now, or cut-in boxes with the screws attached to do the same thing, which is really impressive. I've been doing this for years to help make that box sturdy. It's pretty ugly right now, but I'm going to come back and do some mud on here. I've had to do a lot of mud work on this house. The plaster does crumble a lot, so I'm going to fix that up with some tape. It's all going to be beautiful when we're done. So I'm getting ready to put on the switches, label all the switches. This is the light. Overhead, and I have a sconce here and an outdoor porch light. All the respective have a power going to it, each one ready to wire together for the hot feed. I like to put the switches on right now because this helps me identify all the placement in the right order, and also I'm going to be able to make sure that all the wires are here and what goes together for feeding maybe some other outlets or something else. Those are now, it's a matter of deduction what wires go where, but those are taken care of. So I'm gonna wire it up now.